It's about
This is my delicious ravioli
this is my arrabbiata penne. Very good. Bon appetit.
got a table made of some bread.
Right here.
Some right here. And I've got another plate. Tatiana was just telling you about
Bread has two lines. Parallel lines. Just gonna coast over here.
Is this for part of the art project or is this for... It's already begun. Food is
What?
olives,
This is my drink,
radishes. Food is like
and I tell everybody that I feel special because it's different. Look at the look at the glasses, and this is different. So I feel special. Yeah,
Your drink is the prettiest drink.
yeah. This is my papa. Hello.
Film each other, film each other. I'm such a dork, I'm such a dork. Oh, it's like a duel at dawn.
Yeah. This is Hillary.
There we go.
Oh,
Let's show our faces to each other.
hello, Hillary.
Let's look at each other's food now.
And this is Hillary's food.
This is Maura's food. Okay, and this is Maura's view of the table.
This is my view.
Corra la cámara,
I'm
que
so
corra la
motivated
cámara.
to go out and get my...
Corra la cámara.
Para el otro lado. That's
¿Para el otro lado?
Yeah, you get with
Ah, okay.
Alright.
Then with this.
Okay, now... What's taking better footage, you think? The iPhone or the flip cam?
The flip camera probably. It shoots in HD.
Doesn't the iPhone shoot in HD? Oh, lame. So you gotta have your flip cam and your iPhone. Okay, let's take another look at Maura's food then.
Hey, but I love that low resolution, granulated images.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
How's everybody's dinner?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Cheers, Sam. Cheers, everybody. Salud. Estravia. How?
Zdravia.
Everybody knows that
Oh, I'm chasing your cup. Oh, there we go. Here's Tatiana. I'll pass that along. I'm gonna have one of your ravioli. Is that okay?
Yeah, dig in. It's quite a lot of food.
I'm almost done and I wish I had
Oh no! Are you still hungry, Mikey?
No, I'm good.
Didn't sound like it.
I eat like a monster.
There's some bread slices there if you want to dip into it.
Whatever cheese.
How is everything? Everything good?
Water, the essence of life.
How is everything
That's
over
our
here?
server.
It's very good thing.
We don't have his permission. There, I'm gonna make a really pretty. This is our restaurant that we're at. I don't know if anybody's captured the restaurant. Oh, we missed the kiss.
Or an intentional
Oh, yeah. I think that video is really pretty.